Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use northern light effect on Higgsfield AI. So this is how to use it. Let's just check how the northern light effect is, so we can see how it is the wave of beautiful colors appear behind the subject. So here's how to do it. The first thing you have to do is to go to this wonderful AI website called Higgsfield AI, and it allows you to create the best VFX effects without breaking the bank. So what you have to do now is to sign in and go to the visual effects section, then click on northern light effect. You'll be brought to a page like this where you can see various samples created with this particular effect. So what you do from here is to just go to this area and click on generate, or if you have anyone that you want to that speaks to your project or is very similar to your project, you can just click on it to recreate it instantly. But if you want to create a custom one, just click on generate, and once you click on generate, you'll be brought to a page like this where you just have to upload an image, describe your prompt, and choose your model, and within few minutes your video would be ready for download. It will appear in this place and in this area, and you can actually click on download to download it to your system and export it to where you can actually work with it. So that is how to create northern light effect on Higgsfield AI. Let me know what you guys think about this video below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day. Please subscribe as we're actively trying to grow this channel.